Badger,
Yes.
what do you call a great big pile of cats?
Don't know.
A meountain. A meountain.
I think we've done that.
Hello and welcome to the Spiral Dimension. I'm Dr. Von Hoot and this is the Magic Badger. So hello Magic Badger.
Hi.
It's that time of the month again. It's whoosh, Wrestle Crate time.
Yeah.
So we crack on. Okay, first up, t-shirt time. I like a good t-shirt. You like a good t-shirt. Everybody likes a good t-shirt. Oh. Oh. Oh, I like that. That's actually pretty cool. The Hunter. Well, it's Triple H. You know what I think? It says the Hunter. He's got like the crown on. He's got the big sledgehammery thing.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that a lot. It's proper metal. Cool. That's a good one.
I don't know this thing.
Oh, one of their like sort of plushies. Eric Young, is it? It's got Young on the back of his head, so I presume it's Eric Young. No, I don't collect these, but I guess they're fun little throw-ins. Oh, it's from the Grizzled Young Vets. Oh, that's gonna annoy me. What's his name? Shoes off if you hate. What's his name? That's infuriating. Oh. Right, well, that'll pop into my head in a minute. The Grizzled Young Vets are awesome, and I'm a big fan, and I can't remember his name, and it's really annoying me.
A pin.
Pin time. Okay, I respect the pin.
Pin.
Oh, okay, the classic Steve Austin. It's just the regular, not the chase variant, which would have been a little bit more sort of sparkly-ish. Glittery, yes, a glittery Steve Austin. We didn't get the glittery Steve Austin, but we did get the window, stained glass window variant.
No.
I mean the normal one, yeah. I'm just whispering.
Yes.
That's fun. Oh, I like it when they give trading cards.
Okay.
Who we got? Leon Slater. Okay, that's interesting. Not super familiar. Wrestle Crate official trading card series 1. Well, that's interesting that they've got a
Trading card.
yeah. Intriguing. I like the idea that this is 1250 it looks like. Only 250 of these printed worldwide.
Wow.
Oh, I mean, so low print run on these. Interesting. It's going to be difficult if they're giving them out one at a time, mind you. That's but hey, it's cool. It's cool. I'm not knocking it. It's a fun little addition.
Card. Card.
What's this then? IWA Puerto Rico Junior Heavyweight 99 tournament. Okay, yeah. Feel free to scan that and watch it because I probably won't.
Autograph time.
Yeah, that's why we're here. Let's be honest, the autographs, the majestic autographs. What do we got? Is there one?
Two.
Oh, there's two today. Exciting.
Okay.
I don't know. We're gonna have to look this person up. Hashtag Mo? Is that? Oh, this is intriguing. Like it's none the wiser. Because at first when I saw it, I thought, oh, is it wild boar? But no, it is she-wolf. So I'm gonna, we'll look into this.
Okay, you know who this is.
Oh, I can see, yes. Nice. Powerhouse Hobbs. Rocking the traditional Team Taz colours there. Very nice. That's a great addition, really, isn't it? Like, we love AEW, we love all wrestling, but we follow AEW pretty closely, so Powerhouse is a good addition to the collection. Like it. That's pretty cool. I like this box. What's your favourite out of that? I think Powerhouse Hobbs has got to be the one. I mean, it's
Yeah, probably.
a decent autograph from a decent star. I actually really like that T-shirt. Like I'll wear that for sure. So yeah, awesome. Happy with it? Yeah. Right, thanks for your help, Badger.
Welcome.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Please comment down below. Tell us what you liked, what you didn't like, and we'll catch you next time in the Spiral Dimension. Peace!
From the Spiral Dimension.